Kasha, which means brightness, and the city of light means Kashi, which turns its face to the rising sun. It is often referred to as the holy city of India, the religious capital of India, the city of Lord Shiva, the city of Goddess Annapurna. Kashi is the most auspicious and precious place on the earth and also one of the oldest living cities. It is perpetually and continuously in existence on the earth, with many kinds of living beings from the origin itself. People especially visit Kashi from all over India and abroad to have darshan of Lord Vishwanatha and Goddess Annapurna Devi. Annapurna Temple is situated at close to the Kashi Vishwanath Temple in Varanasi. This temple is dedicated to the Annapurna Mata, the goddess of food or the goddess of nourishment. The myth about Ma Annapurna is, once Mata Parvati had closed all the eyes of Lord Shiva, an entire world was full of darkness. There was the condition of Pralaya, and the color of Mata Parvati also became dark, which means she had lost her Gauri Rupa. She was very depressed and asked Lord Shiva, how could she get her Gauri Rupa or fair color again? Lord Shiva told her to make Annadan in the Kashi. Mata Parvati took her Annapurna Rupa with a golden pot and ladle and made Annadan in Varanasi. And thus she got her Gauri Rupa back again. From that time, Mata Parvati is worshipped as an Annapurna. It is considered that her devotees do Annapurna Puja by making Annadan in Kashi. Kashi Annapurna Annakshetra Trust has been found in the sacred premises of Kashi Annapurna Devi Temple for providing various charitable services, especially such as free meals for devotees, medicine, Vedic education, etc. The trust renders various service activities to the society. As the very name of the goddess depicts, Annadanam is done on a mega scale every day, where the devotees are fed sumptuously. Information Center. The streets of Kashi are famous for its gullies, and it is difficult for a common devotee to locate various mandirs or temples of deities at different areas in the congested gullies and confusing roads. To guide and assist such devotees, Information Center of the Trust is rendering the services to the devotees in furnishing required information such as information of temples, darshan timings and services, routes to the different temples and details of roadways, the details of the services of the Trust and its locations, free first aid services, railway timings and relevant details. The Information Center is situated at Kalika Gali, backside to Kashi Annapurna Devi Temple, Varanasi, rendering services from 8 am to 9 pm every day continuously. Annadanam, Annam Parabrahma Swarupam. Annadanam is supreme and uncomparable out of all charities on earth. All life forces come from the food and survive with food.
भिक्षां देहि कृपावलम्बनकरे मातान्नपूर्णेश्वरी नानारत्नविचित्रभूषणकरी हेमाम्बराडम्बरी मुक्ताहारविलम्बमानविलसन् वक्षोजकुम्भान्तरे.
So Annadanam is nothing but giving prana to the living beings. Pilgrims from different parts of the globe regularly visit the temple of Sri Kashi Vishwanath and goddess Annapurna Devi for their blessings. Annadanam scheme was introduced in Kashi Annapurna Devi temple to provide goddess prasadam as lunch to the devotees who visit temple for worship and render rituals. The devotees from all walks of life, such as sadhus, Sanskrit students, pilgrims and poor people are enjoying goddess Kashi Annapurna Devi prasadam with faith and devotion as lunch. Thousands of devotees are being benefited every day.
भिक्षां देहि कृपावलम्बनकरे मातान्नपूर्णेश्वरी.
The trust has constructed a new building consisting 1+3 floors in Aparnath Matkali near gate number 1 to facilitate more devotees. It has been dedicated to the devotees on 3rd October 2014.
बीजाक्षरी मोक्षद्वार कवाट पाटनकरी काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलम्बनकरी मातान्नपूर्णेश्वरी दृश्यादृश्य विभूतिवाहनकरी ब्रह्माण्ड भाण्डोदरी लीला नाटक सूत्र केलनकरी विज्ञान दीपांकुरी श्री विश्वेश मन प्रसादन करी काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलम्बन करी मातान्नपूर्णेश्वरी.
Vedic School. In order to preserve our oldest culture, the Kashi Annapurna Ankshetra Trust, Varanasi, came forward to promote Vedic education and adopted the Gurukul Brahmacharya Ashram of Goddess Kashi Annapurna Temple situated at Shivapur, coming under Panchakosh Yatra Preview grounds. The existing strength is about 225 poor Brahmin children of various places of our country. The students are basically taught with basic culture of the human being along with Vedic education with love and motherly nourishment so as to make them good citizens of the country. They are being well trained under the expert as well as experienced Sanskrit scholars. Along with our oldest Vedic culture, they are also learning modern computer technology in order to extend their skills to the society in future. All facilities like shelter, food, clothes, medicine, books, modern computer technology, etc. are also being provided to the students at free of cost by the grace of Goddess Kashi Annapurna Devi. The school is situated in Shivapur, Varanasi, UP.
with its own 27 acres of spacious land with building about 10,000 square feet plinth area. The syllabus of Vedic school education is prescribed as per the norms of Sampurna Sanskrit University, Varanasi. The students of this Vedic school are also participating in competitive events along with other educational institutions and creating good performance. Our trust is looking forward to upgrade the educational system so as to make the Vedic education more effective for research world. Tailoring School, a vocational course. To provide self-employment opportunity, the Trust has moved to encourage poor women to get trained in vocational courses under self-employment scheme so as to manage their families at their own. In this direction, the Trust has started a free tailoring school in Kalika Gali. For last 3 years, more than 1,500 women and girl students had been trained in batches for tailoring under 4 expert trained teachers. On successful completion of their training, the eligible candidates are being presented a sewing machine as a God's gift during their farewell party. Free medical services. After food and shelter, health is the primary requirement to all human beings. The government and various voluntary organizations are striving hard to render medical services to the public to the maximum extent possible. In spite of it, the society needs supporting hands and medical assistance to cover the needs and minimum requirements of the people. Kashi Annapurna Annakshetra Trust also intended to take part in rendering medical services to the extent possible. The Trust Hospital came into existence with effect from November 11, 2011 onwards in its own building at Laksa Road, Varanasi. Under one roof, the consultancy facilities for homeopath, Ayurveda and allopath with 3 different expert doctors in respective fields are provided to serve general public and especially to the poor. Medicines are also being supplied to the poor and deserving regularly at free of cost. Free accommodation. The Trust is providing free accommodation in first and second floors of Annakshetra building had spared 13 rooms in its existing building and made it available throughout the year. A number of families availed this facility. It is for all sorts of devotees subject to availability. Free Yagnopavit Sanskar. Yagnopavit Sanskar is a sacred function in Hindus. It is a prerequisite for them before going to start Veda learning in the early ages of childhood itself. It is a triple standard sacred thread joined by a knot called as Brahma knot. It is required to be celebrated on an auspicious day only. The Brahmin children, after Yagnopavit Sanskar only, become eligible for the performance of ritual. The trust, with an intention to protect and promote traditional systems and customs of the society, organizes Yagnopavit Sanskar to the deserving and group every year on an auspicious day. Hitherto, about 2,000 poor Brahmin children are benefited under this program, which generally takes place annually on Akshaya Tritiya Day or any other auspicious day after it, in a year in a large gathering ceremony. The parents and relatives of the children, along with Vedic scholars, also participate in the ceremony and bless the brahmacharis after completion of all the rituals as per the Shastras. Free marriages to the poor people. Marriages are a social binding function to the couple agreeing to live together under one roof. After its ritual function only, it becomes recognized socially and legally binding. It establishes rights and creates obligations on each other of the wedded couples. Generally in India, the performance of marriages become costlier due to various formalities. So, poor people are striving hard to face the financial requirements. To assist such sort of couple to certain extent, the Kashi Annapurna Annakshetra Trust is extending its helping hand and organizing group marriages at a spacious accommodation within large gathering from the year 2008 onwards. Every year, on the occasion of Akshaya Tritiya, the scheme is in practice.